Welcome back to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2026 Bronco Sport. The 2026 Ford Bronco Sport is a compact SUV that blends everyday practicality with off-road prowess. Whether you're tackling rugged trails or navigating city streets, this baby Bronco offers a versatile experience with minimal compromises. Ford has added the Sasquatch package to the Bronco Sport lineup for 2025. It's available on the Outer Banks and Badlands trims, with the former inheriting a twin-clutch rear differential. The Sasquatch treatment also adds new steel bumpers with a bull bar on the front and 2 recovery hooks on the back. Along with steel skid plates and slightly more ground clearance, there's a knobbier set of 29-inch all-terrain tires, and the Badlands alone adds Bilstein rear dampers with remote reservoirs. Inside, the Bronco Sport boasts an attractive design and a plethora of popular features. The little Outa also has an impressive amount of space and several neat innovations. The baby Bronco has an upright seating position and a decent amount of rear seat legroom. Its roofline rises in the rear, providing additional headroom and enough cargo volume to fit 2 mountain bikes. The cargo hold can also be outfitted with a slide-out table that doubles as a workspace, a 400-watt power inverter, and LED lights built into the inside of the rear gate that provides overhead lighting. The rear gate features a glass hatch and a built-in bottle opener. The Badlands model comes with washable, rubberized flooring and upholstery that is easy to clean, but the floor material looks unsightly. Another neat trick is the storage bin that's located under their back seats. The Bronco Sport rides on the same platform that underpins the compact Escape crossover, and every model has all-wheel drive. A 180 horsepower turbocharged 1.5-liter 3-cylinder is the base engine, but a 238 horsepower turbo 2.0-liter 4-cylinder is also available. Both pair with an 8-speed automatic transmission, but the more powerful engine brings steering wheel-mounted paddle shifters and upgraded cooling components. The top-tier Badlands trim packs an assortment of exclusive equipment, including a twin-clutch rear drive unit with a differential lock. The price of the 2026 Ford Bronco Sport starts at $31,590 and goes up to $41,710 depending on the trim and options. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.